hundreds of fake news swearing at Shona Ferguson spread on social media. Read the full newsletter to learn the tricks of the spreaders and to avoid it. On July 30th, the event of Shona Ferguson's death left boundless grief for fans and the people of South Africa. In that atmosphere of mourning, thousands of South Africans sent their condolences across social media channels. South African artists shared their deep words of encouragement to the Ferguson family for the event. Family members including Connie still can't believe it's true. People say it's a big shock to the family. However, there are anonymous people who defy all tricks to curse and insult Shona despite the protection of the online community. They sent letters to the newsroom, posted on social networking sites, and used all means to influence the public's love for him. The online community, people of South Africa, let's pray for Shona, may he rest with God in peace and serenity. Don't listen to anonymous lies online, don't think badly of him, let his soul rest in peace.